देखो Guru Sahib at a point where Guru Sahib now is hurt. Guru Sahib has not eaten food properly for how many months? So when Guru Sahib eats the prasad given by the Khatri, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸਾਰੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ. Guru Sahib remembers all the previous Guru Sahib from Guru Nanak Dev Ji to Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, and then they put the khana, the prasad in their mouth. ਗੁਰ ਨਾਨਕ ਪਦ ਪੰਕਜ ਬੰਦਨ, ਪਦ ਪੰਕਜ ਬੰਦਨ, ਸਿਮਰੋ ਅੰਗਦ ਦੁਖ ਨਿਕੰਦਨ, ਅਮਰਦਾਸ ਗੁਰ ਹਿਰਦੈ ਧਿਆਵੋ ਜੀ, ਹਿਰਦੈ ਧਿਆਵੋ, ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਗੁਣ ਗਾਵੋ, ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਰਜਨ ਬਿਗਨਨ ਕੇ ਨਾਸਕ, ਬਿਗਨਨ ਕੇ ਨਾਸਕ, ਹਰ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸੋਭ ਸੁਮਤ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਸ਼ਕ, ਸ੍ਰੀ ਹਰਿ ਰਾਏ ਨਾਮੋ ਕਰ ਜੋਰੀ, ਨਾਮੋ ਕਰ ਜੋਰੀ, ਸ੍ਰੀ ਹਰਿ ਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਮਨਾਏ ਬਹੋਰੀ, ਤੇਗ ਬਹਾਦਰ परम किरपाला जी, परम किरपाला, श्री गुरु गोबिंद सिंह बिसाला, तारों तरा पर पुन पुन सीसा जी, पुन पुन सीसा, बंदों बार बार जगदीसा, जिसमें अमृत ज्ञान है मानक भगत वैराग, श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब उदित बंदो कर अनुराग, श्री गुरु शब्द कमाए जिन जीते पंच विकार, तिन संतन को बंदना सिर चरणन पर तार, कहाँ बुद्ध प्रभ तुच्छ हमारी, बर न सकै महिमा जो तिहारी, हम न सकत कर सिफत तुम्हारी, आप लिहो तुम कथा सुधारी, हम न सकत कर सिफत तुम्हारी, आप लिहो तुम कथा सुधारी।
ਸਤਨਾਮ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ। ਚੌਪਈ ਤਾਉ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਜਬ ਗਏ ਅਗਰੇ, ਢੁਕੇ ਜਾਏ ਮਾਛੀਵਾੜੇ ਨੇਰੇ, ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਕੋ ਗਇਓ ਪਠਾਨ ਬਹਾਏ, ਲੈ ਆਇਓ ਖਤਰੀ ਗੁਲਾਬੋ ਬੁਲਾਏ।
ਗੁਰੂ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, ਆਓ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਦਾਤ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਦੀ ਸਾਂਝ ਪਾਈਏ। ਗੱਜ ਵੱਜ ਕੇ ਆਖੋ ਜੀ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਪਾਰ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਸਦਕਾ ਹਫ਼ਤਾਵਾਰੀ ਦੀਵਾਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੜੀਵਾਰ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਪੰਥ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਸ਼ ਦੀ ਕਥਾ ਆਪ ਜੀ ਸਰਵਣ ਕਰਦੇ ਆਏ ਹੋ। With Guru Granth Sahib Ji's blessings, we are gathered here again today in the weekly katha of Sri Guru Panth Prakash, and in the last divan we heard about the battle of Chamkaur, the Shahidi of the Vadde Sahibzade, how did the Khalsa Panth leave Anandapur Sahib, and how the formation was done, and then the battle that took place in Sarsa, and the Parvar Vachoda in 3 different parts, and Guru Gobind Singh Ji and the Khalsa Panth arriving in Chamkaur. The battle of Chamkaur takes place, the Sahibzade and the Shahidi takes place, and Guru Gobind Singh Ji gives the Gurgaddi to Khalsa Panth before they leave Chamkaur. Guru Gobind Singh Ji was given the hukam by the Panch Pyare, beinti by the Panch Pyare, कि महाराज जी तुसी हुन चमकौर दा किला छड्डो, because Guru Gobind Singh Ji was ready to go into the war after the Shahidi of Baba Jujhar Singh Ji. So in today's prasanga, Guru Gobind Singh Ji will continue their journey from Machhiwada to Dina to Kangar, and we are going to hear the prasanga of what takes place, what happens, and who did Guru Gobind Singh Ji meet. ਸੋ ਸਾਰੇ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਕਾਗਰਤਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਕਥਾ ਨੂੰ ਸਰਵਣ ਕਰੀਏ ਜੀ।
ਚੌਪਈ ਤਾਉ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਜਬ ਗਏ ਅਗਰੇ, ਢੁਕੇ ਜਾਏ ਮਾਛੀਵਾੜੀ ਨੇੜੇ।
So Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj jab gaye agere, agere means to now move forward, and now they arrive at a place called Machhiwada. Hanji.
ਤਾਉ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਜਬ ਗਏ ਅਗਰੇ, ਢੁਕੇ ਜਾਏ ਮਾਛੀਵਾੜੇ ਨੇੜੇ। ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਕੋ ਗਏ ਪਠਾਨ ਬਹਾਈ, ਲਿਆਇਓ ਖੱਤਰੀ ਗੁਲਾਬੋ ਬੁਲਾਈ।
So ਜਦੋਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਕਿ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਮਾਛੀਵਾੜੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਏ ਨੇ, when Guru Gobind Singh Ji has arrived Machhiwada, so these 2 Pathan who were the Gursikhs of Guru Gobind Singh Ji, Gani Khan and Nabi Khan, they also come and meet Guru Gobind Singh Ji in Machhiwada. And there they come to a house of a Gursikh called Gulabo. So there are 2 Gursikhs here, Punjaba and Gulaba. Guru Gobind Singh Ji arrived to their place. Hanji.
ਦੋਹਰਾ ਸੁਨਹੁ ਸਾਖੀ ਮਾਛੀਵਾੜੇ, ਗੁਰ ਬਹੇ ਖੱਤਰੀ ਘਰ ਜਾਏ।
So Bhai Ratan Singh Ji Pangu now says, Sunho, listen to the story of Machhiwada, what happened in Machhiwada. That Guru Gobind Singh Ji now comes to the house of this Khatri, this Gulaba and Punjaba. Hanji.
ਪਠਾਨ ਸਯਦ ਖਿਜਮਤ ਕਰੀ, ਗੁਰ ਤੋਰ ਹੈ ਸਰਹੋ ਉਠਾਈ।
And how the Sakhi of Gani Khan and Nabi Khan, they do seva of Guru Gobind Singh Ji, and Gur Torhe Sirho Uthaya, and how did they carry Guru Gobind Singh Ji on their heads, on their shoulders, and bring Guru Sahib out of Machhiwada. Hanji.
ਚੌਪਈ ਓਨ ਕੁਛ ਧਰਿਓ ਆ ਗਏ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ, ਸੋ ਮੁਖ ਪਾਇਓ ਕਰ ਗੁਰ ਯਾਦ।
So this Khatri, Punjaba and Gulaba, when Guru Gobind Singh Ji, before they arrive in Punjaba, in Gulaba's house, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, ਬਾਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਜਿਵੇਂ orchard ਸੀ, a garden ਕਹਿ ਲੋ, Guru Sahib sat there, and Gulaba and Punjaba, they came and they brought prasad, food for Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Hanji.
ਸਾਂਝ ਪੜੀ ਤਾਂ ਅੰਦਰ ਆਣੇ, ਮਦ ਹਵੇਲੀ ਭਏ ਟਿਕਾਣੇ।
And Guru Gobind Singh Ji, when the prasad came, dekho Guru Sahib at a point where Guru Sahib now is hurt. Guru Sahib has not eaten food properly for how many months? So mukh payo kar Guru Yad, when Guru Sahib eats the prasad given by the Khatri, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ Guru Sahib ਸਾਰੇ Guru ਸਾਹਿਬਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ. Guru Sahib remembers all the previous Guru Sahib from Guru Nanak Dev Ji to Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, and then they put the khana, the prasad in their mouth. And when evening time came, because Dende Hare, when it was during daytime, you must understand Sangat Ji, Machhiwada is not far from Chamkaur. So the news has spread at night when Guru Gobind Singh Ji left Chamkaur, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਤਾਲੀ ਵਜਾ ਕੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਚਲਿਆ. So everybody knew that Guru Gobind Singh Ji has already left Chamkaur, and now the hunt, the search has started for Guru Gobind Singh Ji. So when Guru Sahib arrived in Machhiwada, some of the Sikhs found out. They were scared to allow Guru Gobind Singh Ji into their house. So Guru Sahib sat in this orchard, in this garden, outside of the Khatri Gulabba's house, and ਜਦੋਂ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਪਈ, when it was evening, it got dark, then they invited Guru Gobind Singh Ji into their house. ਹਾਂਜੀ.
ਦੋਹਰਾ ਤਾਉ ਖਤਰੀ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਕਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਹੋ ਮਾੜੋ ਅਤ।
So what happened was, ਜਦੋਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਹੁਣ ਖੱਤਰੀਆਂ ਪੰਜਾਬਾਂ ਦੇ ਗੁਲਾਬਾਂ ਦੇ ਘਰੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਏ, when they arrived in their house, at that point ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ is now in Machhiwada. So as we know, Guru Gobind Singh Ji left Machhiwada on their own, and after that 3 Gursikhs came and found Guru Gobind Singh Ji. And who were they? Bhai Daya Singh Ji, Bhai Dharam Singh Ji, and Bhai Man Singh Ji. So these 3 Gursikhs were also with Guru Gobind Singh Ji. They were also there in the house of Khatri Gulabbas. So to Khatri Sadgur kahi. So Sham pegi. And of course, you know, if you're staying in a village, you have neighbors and all of that. Neighbor nu pata hi lag janda. Neighbors will find out there's someone in the house of Gulabba's house, and Guru Gobind Singh Ji has come. And some of them were Qazis, Musliman sige, some were Hindus, some were very scared, and they didn't want Guru Sahib to be there in their village, in their town. So Tau Khatri Sadgur kahi, then Kulabba Panjaba then say to Guru Gobind Singh Ji, main ho maro at. That hey Sache Pacha Di, I'm so weak. I've got no jor in me, no strength in me to fight, and I'm actually quite scared. Hanji.
ਖਬਰ ਹੋਏ ਕਿਤ ਤਰਕ ਕੋ ਮਾਰੇ ਮੋਹਿ ਅਲਬਤ।
Je khabar phail gi, if the news spread that I have Guru Gobind Singh Ji in my house, then the Qazis who are my neighbors and all, they are going to tell the news, they're going to tell to all the officers to the Mughal Fauj. And ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਚੜ ਕੇ ਆ ਜਾਣੇ, they're going to come to my house. I don't know what will happen to you, Guruji, but they might kill me. So, mare mohe ablat, they will kill me. Te mere man che dar hai, I have this fear in me, Guruji. Hanji.
ਚੌਪਈ ਤਾਉ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਦਏ ਰੁਪਏ ਡਾਰ ਸੋ ਚੁਗ ਕਾਜੀ ਰਹਿਓ ਮਸ਼ਟ ਮਾਰ।
So, jera neighbor si Gwandi si, the Qazi who was a neighbor of Khatri Gulabba, Guru Sahib ne, from the wall, Guru Sahib through gold coins and all, te Qazi da muh band kar ditta. Ki now you don't worry, this Qazi is not going to spread the news that I'm staying in your house. Hanji.
ਏਸੀ ਭਾਂਤ ਗੁਰ 10 ਦਿਨ ਰਹਿਓ ਤਾਉ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਤਹੇ ਚਲਨੋ ਚਹਿਓ।
So for about few days, Dasadan ਇੱਥੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ, Guru Sahib stayed in Khatri Gulabba's house in Machhiwada. ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਕਾਫੀਆਂ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਏ, ਇੱਕ ਮਾਈ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਏ, where husu bana for Guru Gobind Singh Ji, tau Sadgur teh chalne chahiyo. Then after some time, they have rested, recovered their strength. Now Guru Sahib say, hone sama aa gaya, the time has come, we have to now move forward. Hanji.
ਤਾਉ ਪਠਾਨ ਸਹਤ ਸਯਦ ਰਲਵਾਯੂ ਕਹਿ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਕੋ ਬਾਣੋ ਬਣਵਾਯੂ।
So what happened was then, Pathan, Gani Khan and Nabi Khan, they have to come up with a plan on how we can bring Guru Gobind Singh Ji out of Machhiwada in a disguise, so the Singh, the Khalsa can come and meet Guruji, and Guruji doesn't get, captured by the Mughals. So they came with a plan ki we have to change our libas. So there was this Mataji who gave kapda so bana for Guru Gobind Singh Ji, te onu fir Mara ne rangaya, colored it in the color of blue. So कह सतगुरु को बाणे बनवायो। गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी से कि बाणो तैयार करो, बाणे तैयार करो, नीले बाणे तैयार करो। हाँ जी।
डोल हाजन की लई बनवाए नीलो बाणो केस खिंडवाए।
So Guru Gobind Singh Ji took the roop of Uchchada Peer, and what is their roop like? They wear nilla bana. In case they tie a case ki dastar, but the case is laid down. हाँ जी।
तिम सिखन बाणे बनवाए ਫੜ ਅਸਤਾਵੈ ਪਠਾਨ ਭਏ ਰਾਹੇ।
So what happened then? ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਸੀਗੇ, ਭਾਈ ਦਇਆ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ, ਭਾਈ ਧਰਮ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ, ਭਾਈ ਮਾਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ, Gani Khan and Nabi Khan, 5 of them, they also dressed up in the same manner as well. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਬਾਣੇ ਬਣਵਾਏ, they made their ਬਾਣੇ ਨੀਲੇ ਰੰਗ ਦੇ, they also tied their damala, their dastar in such a way. ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਪੀਰ ਉਚੱਕੇ ਕਹਤੇ ਜਾਏ ਨਬੀ ਗਣੀ ਖਾਂ ਤੇ ਤਹਿ ਨਾਏ।
So who were the Gursikhs? Now we had Bhai Daya Singh Ji doing the Chaur Sahib Seva on Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Then the other 4 Gursikhs, they had the palanga on their shoulders. And Guru Gobind Singh Ji sat in the palanga. And as they were going out of the town, They kept saying, because people were intrigued. Who is this Gursikh, a Sikh of Guru Sahib, whose duty was to spread Sikhi, to collect the Svanda and bring to Guru Gobind Singh Ji, Hana? And in the previous Prasanga we heard how all the Masanda as in Ropar, a lot of Sikh moved area. They turned their backs towards Guru Sahib. They didn't want Guru Sahib to come to their house, to stay with them, knowing that they have left Anandpur and one Dasalaka Forge is now after them. So many of these Masanda, they closed their doors. So now when they reached Kanej, Guru Gobind Singh Ji reminded the Sikh that there is one Masanda here called Fatah, and Guru Sahib called him and said that now you have to help us for our next journey. Hanji.
चौपई घोड़ी घर की हमको देह हम तुम दरब कणी पर देह.
So what did Guru Sahib say to Fatah? Fatah ne kya ki now you provide us with a kodi, a horse, and help us to go on our onward journey from here. Hanji.
बुरे दिवस सो तब ते आए कहियो घोड़ी दे हम चढ़ै भाहे.
Guru Sahib said, give me a kodi, give us a horse, and provisions, and we'll pay you for it. I mean, Guru Sahib never took anything for free. Never. In fact, Guru Sahib used to give more than what a Sikh would actually need. And Guru Sahib says, kodi sanu de de, and darb will give you money for it. And Fatah ne ki kya? Bure divas so tab eh aaye. Bhai Ratan Singh Pangu ji says, such a bad time has come. What was Fatah's reply? He said, if I give you this kodi, then mere gal cha phaha peh jana. If I give you this kodi, Guruji, the Mughals, the Turks are going to come and they're going to hang me. Hanji.
तब सतगुर ऐसे उस कहियो तू मरणो फाहियो अब कब रहियो.
So Fatah say, I cannot have this faha in my gala, I cannot die this kind of death, so मैं थोड़ी मदद नहीं कर सकता, I cannot help you. Guru Sahib ने सुते सवाब बचन कह देता. Guru Sahib से तब सतगुर ऐसे उस कहियो. Guru Gobind Singh से तो Fatah कि तू मरनो पाहियो अब कह रहे हो. तू तो आप मुको बचन करता. You have said from your own mouth that you are going to die from faha. Now how are you going to be saved? You see, Guru Gobind Singh Ji tells us कि Sikha ne we have to be so conscious of the kind of words that come out from our mouth. What bachan we say to somebody else? What bachan do we say about ourselves? And Guru Gobind Singh Ji says to Fatah कि you have said कि मेरे गल च फाहा पै जाना. You have said this bachan from your own mouth, and now who is going to save you? Hanji.
सो लाहौर जाए फाह चरियो सतगुर बचन न उस ते टरियो.
And true enough, what was the fate of Fatah? Chalo madad nahi kiti. He did not help Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Guru Sahib left from Kanej, from that place. But true enough, after some time, he was caught and onu faha chadaya gaya. He was hanged to death in Lahore. Hanji.
तुर सतगुर जग आगे तये सराय दुराए तुरकन किरवई.
So from Multan, from Kanej, now Guru Sahib with the other 5 Gursikhs as Uchchada Peer, Guru Sahib now progresses forward. And what happens now? In the middle of the road, as they are journeying, they were stopped by the Turks. Hanji.
कह पीर हम ज़ियाफ़त खाए अब एक रात यहाँ रह जाए.
So the Turks, the soldier, they were also intrigued. Who is this person being carried by this Musalman, and wo betha kaun hai? So they stopped Ghani Khan, Nabi Khan. They stopped all the Gursikhs and they said, who is this person sitting on the palanga? So the people who conversed was Ghani Khan and Nabi Khan. Baki de jere 10 Gursikhs, they kept quiet. So Ghani Khan, Nabi Khan would say, "Is sade Uchchade Peer ne, this is what now Moon Vrata rakhya hoya. He's not speaking much. He's eating very less." So they got very interested. So what they said was, "Can we invite you to our tent, to our place, and please have a meal with us, Hanji?"
ताओ सैयद पठान इम गल थामी पीर हमारा रोजो मदामी.
So Ghani Khan and Nabi Khan then, when they offered to do seva of Uchchada Peer and bring them to their tent, to their place, so they could do seva of 5 of them. Ghani Khan and Nabi Khan, because they were the one talking. Now, उन्होंने भी इस सोचा कि if we say no, they are going to suspect. So they say, the Pathan, Ghani Khan, Nabi Khan, they say कि our Peer now roza rakha, means he's fasting, he's not for a long time, but every day he only eats one meal a day and he doesn't talk much. Hanji.
एक जो सेती रोजो खोला फड़ तस्बी मुखो थोड़ो बोला
He says our Peer only breaks his fast once a day. He only eats very little. And hath tasbih mala karya hoya. He only does his job, his part, and mukho thode bole, and he speaks very little. Hanji.
और मुरीद खाए जाहे जरूर विधि बनाए ऐस शहूर
And Ghani Khan and Nabi Khan said, our Peer will not eat because he already had his meal of the day. But the rest of us, the 5 of us, Ghani Khan, Nabi Khan and the 3 Gursikhs, we will have your meal. So 5 of us will eat, but our Peer will not eat. Hanji.
दोहरा ताओ सिंगन पाओ खायो अब हम की भगवाल
Tao Singan Pao Khai. So when Ghani Khan, Nabi Khan said this, because they were the one conversing and helping them to get out of the town, when they reached the tent, the place where all the Turks, the officers, the soldiers and all were there, all khana tiyar kar rahe sige, and of course they were preparing meat. So in this one of the tent where they gave the tent to Guru Gobind Singh Ji and the Gursikhs, in the tent they got afraid and they said to Guru Sahib, they said, what will happen to us now? They are preparing this food, this meat and halal food and all of that. Asita Shakini Sagari, we can't eat. So what will happen to us now, Guru Sahib? Hanji.
अब धर्म हमारो किम रहे गुरु सो आओ जगनाल
How can we protect our faith now, our dharam now, our rahat now in this situation? Where we are put in this situation where we cannot say no to them, we have to eat their food, but we have our Guru with us as well. Hanji.
जाओ पई ताओ सतगुर उन दयो फरमाए लयो सरब लोह कर दफिराए
Then Guru Gobind Singh Ji gave a bachan and said to all of them कि तुसी फिक्र ना करो, do not have this fear in your heart कि now साडी रहत नु की होगा. So Guru Gobind Singh Ji ने इतना किया, they said this कि take your sarb lo kirpan, take your kirpan sarb lo and फिराए, and जेरा भी लंगर खाना आओगा ओदे ते तुसी किरपान भेंट करनी है. हांजी.
जोर जुलम संग तुर्क न होए ताओ होए तुर्क संग तुर्क नी सोए
So Guru Gobind Singh Ji gave them dilasa ki just by you doing sangat of the Turks or sitting in their tent or having to converse with them, you did not become a Turk like that. How? To ho Turk sang Turk nahi hoge. Haan, if you commit a kurahat, so we know one of the kurahat is haram. If you commit a kurahat where you have a sangat, where you have an extramarital relationship with other woman or other man, and in this case with a Turkani, then you will have no choice but you have to convert to their religion. So Guru Gobind Singh Ji says, do not worry about your faith, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਧਰਮ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਗਾ, ਕਿਰਪਾਨ ਭੇਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰੋ. And because it was ਸ਼ਾਮ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਸੀ, ਰਾਤ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਸੀ, of course they couldn't see what was there. Guru Sahib said, ਫਿਕਰ ਨਾ ਕਰਿਓ, ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੰਗਰ ਦਾ ਭੋਜਨ ਛਕ ਲਿਓ. ਹਾਂਜੀ.
ਏਕ ਔਰ ਗਲ ਕਰਤ ਪਤੇ ਆਇਓ ਪਲੈ ਪਾਂਦ ਕੁਝ ਖਾਣਾ ਲੈ ਆਇਓ.
Then ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖ ਸੀਗੇ ਮਨ ਚ ਫੇਰ ਵੀ ਸ਼ੰਕਾ, they might have thought ਕਿ okay, we do kirpan pet, we do an ardas, but would it still be that halal meat? How would it be? And Guru Gobind Singh Ji says, chalo, one more thing. Kirpan pet kar li, ardas kar li, do one more thing. Palle band kuch khana le aayo. The thal that will come in front of you, take a bit of food, palle band ke unnu paase rakh diyo. Hanji.
ਜੇ ਤੁਮਰੋ ਗੁਜ ਮਨ ਸੰਕਾਏ ਪੰਜ ਚੁਪੇ ਲਇਓ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਸਰ ਲਾਏ.
Then in the morning we're going to have to look at what that bhojan was. Even then you still have shanka in your mind. फिर गुरु साहब से 5 चुब्बे लायो अमृतसर लाए. फिर तुसी इशनान अमृतसर विच इशनान 5 चुब्बे ला के अमृतसर च इशनान तुसी करो. हाँ जी.
सो डोर सखन कर लई तुर्कन कही किम करद शहई.
So ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਰਕ ਸੀਗੇ, the soldiers, they brought the khana, the langar, the bhojan into the tent. They brought the food into the tent. And in front of the Turks, the first thing that the Singhs did was, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਰਪਾਨ ਭੇਟ ਕੀਤੀ, ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕੀਤੀ, and they asked, the Turks, they asked, what are you doing? Why are you putting a symbol of kirpan through your food? Hanji.
कही पठान शराय अई नई धर्म कियो अब हाजियन मई
Pathan, so Gani Khan and Nabi Khan, again, they were the only one who spoke. They said, this is a new shara, this is a new law that our Uchchada Peer has started. A new law Uchchada Peer has started कि भोजन च असी कृपान भेंट करनी है. हाँ जी.
प्रात खोहल कर देखियो खाना कराह चावल देख मन पतियाना.
So the night went past and in the morning जेरा पल्ले जेरा खा ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਖਾਣਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਹਜ਼ੂਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਮਰ ਕਸੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਨਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਦਾ ਖਾਣਾ the food that they tied they brought with them ਪ੍ਰਾਤ ਕੋਲ ਕਰ ਦੇਖਿਓ ਖਾਣਾ. So Guru Sahib's bachan was put a bit of food, take it with you. If you really are not sure what was that you ate after you did kirpan paid, फिर सवेरे खोल के देख लियो. When they opened, they saw कड़ा चावल देख मन पत्या. What was in that khana? The bhojan was kara prasad. And when the Gursikh saw this, Mana Patyana means their mind was at ease that they did not eat any halal meat, that food became Kara Prasad. Hanji.
Moha te dur mohi gaye, Jatpur lami lang bhagte thaye.
So from there, the Turks, they also said their goodbyes and onanu khushi hogi, onane seva karti. And Guru Gobind Singh Ji and the 5 Gursikhs, they went out from there. Where did they go? They went to Lambe Jatpur. Lambe Jatpur and Pagte and Mohi. From Lambe Jatpur they went to Mohi and then Pagte and then from then Dina and Kam. Now Lambe Jatpur in Mohi Devech, in the town of Mohi was where Guru Gobind Singh Ji's archer's ring was cut. So if you do archery, you always have an archer's ring. And Marada Kadya ni siga and it started to swell. So it was in Mohi where the archer's ring of Guru Sahib was cut and that ring is still there. So from there, then Guru Gobind Singh Ji went to Lambe Jatpure, and then after that, Hanji.
Dohra Tau Sri Sadgur Tur Puje Kangad Tape Tapa Jai.
So from Mohi, Lambe Jatpure, then Guru Gobind Singh Ji arrived in Kangar. Hanji.
Dina ki dig pind made Hud Lakmeer Tehrae.
From Kangar, they went to another town called Dina, and in Dina there was this Rai. This Raja who was called Rai Lakmeer. He was there, he was the leader in Dina. Hanji.
Chaupai Tisa Chabare Ja Sadgur Bahe A Lakmeer Charan Tehshuha.
So what happened? Rai Lakmeer invited Guru Gobind Singh Ji and the Gursikhs to his house. So Guru Sahib sat in a room and Rai Lakmeer then came and matha tekte Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Hanji.
Sadguru Khushi Agyo Us Dai और हकीकत उस याओ कही.
So Sadguru Guru Gobind Singh Ji was very pleased कि Rai Lakmeer opened their doors to the Gursikhs, to Guru Gobind Singh Ji, and came and matha tek, came and sat with Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Hanji.
जाओ तू टिकाए सकै हम पाहे ताओ हम किच कट है दिन याहे.
So Guru Gobind Singh Ji said this haqiqat, this truth, and they had this conversation. Guru Sahib says कि our ichha is to stay here. If you are okay and you can give us space to stay here, then we would like to stay here for a few days. Hanji.
कही लखमीर तू हम सिर का साथ हाथ जोर उन यो कही बात.
Then Rai Lakmeer said कि हे सच्चे पातशाह जी, as long as I'm alive, as long as you have your kirpa on me, you can stay here as long as you want and allow me to do your seva. Hanji.
मुहा सतगुर प्रगट होए बहे सुन सुन संग ते तां बहो रहे.
So Dina was a place now Guru Gobind Singh Ji rested for a few days. Etho fir Guru Sahib will write a Zafarnama letter through the hands of Bhai Daya Singh Ji to be sent to Aurangzeb. So when Guru Sahib rested in Dina, now of course the Labas, so Guru Sahib has already come out from the Labas of Uchchada Peer and now they have rested here. Now since the Khalsa now find out, because Sangat ji must understand the search is still going on. They are still following Guru Sahib because from Chamkaur up till Kangar is such a distance now, they are finding where Guru Gobind Singh Ji is. The search for Guru Sahib is still there. So the Singh, the Khalsa, they found out that Guru Sahib now is in Dina, the news has spread. Now the Khalsa, the Singhs, one by one, Sur Singh te tha baho aaye. They started coming in big numbers to Dina. Hanji.
और सुनो जो पिछलन भई याव साहिबजादन छोटन सिरवई
So ਇੱਥੇ in Dina now is Vishram for Guru Gobind Singh Ji. They're going to rest, meet again with the saints, and they're going to write the letter. That's going to take a few days. Now Pai Ratan Singh Ji Pangu is bringing us back to Sarsa. What happened? Now we heard the Sakhi of one part of the Parvar, which was Guru Gobind Singh Ji and the Charlie Singh. Now Pai Ratan Singh Ji Pangu says, और सुनो जो पिछलन पई. Now listen to what happened again in the past. Let's go back in the past and listen to what happened to the छोटे साहबजादे. हाँ जी.
सरसेओ भयो बहुतो पिछलो तुरै उहाँ ते लोग निज निज दो.
So if we remember in the previous prasanga we spoke about how Guru Sahib formed the whole pantha from leaving Anandapur side, the mothers, families, bache, buzurg, they were in the middle. Then you had one Fauj who was at the back, Baba Ji Singh Ji, we have Pai Daya Singh Ji and so on, Pai Bachittar Singh Ji at the back, then Guru Gobind Singh Ji at the front leading, at the side also there are Singhs to protect the ones in the middle. So from the back, Dasalag Fauj was coming, the Turks and the Pahari Raje Fauj was coming from the back, and from the front the challenge was the Sarsa Nadi. The tide was very high at midnight. So Sarsa Paya bahut bichh. So what happened was from the back the Turks were coming and from the front the Sarsa Nadi, the tide was high. What happened was many of them, they either ran backwards. Those who went backwards, they were either killed in the war or they were looted by the Pahari Raje soldiers. Those who went left or right, they got lost. And those who were then in front who tried to cross Sarsa Nadi, they were either drowned or killed. Hanji.
रोपड़ ताक गुर रखी संभारा ले आए सतगुर चारण नारा.
So Pai Sahib says that up till Ropar everybody was together and was protected. Then the time came when the Vachoda happened, the separation happened, when they had to cross Sarsa. That's when all the chaos happened. Hanji.
दोहरा उहाँ फौजा बहु मिली चार तरफ ते आए.
The Fauj of Pahari Raj and Turks from all four directions, they came to attack the whole Panth. Hanji.
बड़ माता लै पोतरण गई बिछर कित दाए.
So on one direction, when they crossed Sarsa, on one side was Guru Gobind Singh Ji and the Charlie Singh and the Chotes and the Vadde Sahibzade. Then on one side was Mata Sahib Devan Ji, Mata Sundari Ji, Pai Mani Singh Ji and the helpers and the Sangat. Then on one side, Pai Sahib Kendane, Vadda Mata Gujri Ji, with Potran, means with her grandsons, the younger grandsons, Baba Zorawar Singh Ji and Baba Fateh Singh Ji, they became separated and they went towards another direction. Hanji.
जाओ पई अब और सिंह ने सुनाऊं गाथ पई रोपड़ लै सतगुर साथ.
So now Kaviji is bringing us by Ratan Singh Ji Pangu is bringing us back again in time and telling us the Sakya, what happened to the Singhs who stayed back, who were at the back, who stayed back to fight with the Fauj so they could defend the line so that Pantha, Guru Gobind Singh Ji and all the Sikh could move forward. Hanji.
खड़ खड़ लड़ लड़ भये शहीद कह गुरु किम जाए गीत.
So the likes of Pai Jeevan Singh Ji, Pai Uday Singh Ji, Pai Bachittar Singh Ji, Baba Ji Singh Ji also was there defending the line. Then they were brought back. So khad khad lad pai shri. Khad khad ke they fought, they defended the line, and many of them became shaheed. And their aim was, it's fine if we become shaheed, but Guru Gobind Singh Ji must be able to proceed forward with everybody. Hanji.
सरसै पर बहु परबती काए हिम कर पहुँचे रोपड़ आए.
This is Pahari Raje, their soldiers have come all the way to Sarsa, they have caused such a chaos. Im keh pahunche Ropar aaye, and from this they fought, they kept fighting with them, and then they proceeded. So if you can imagine, they're defending the line and moving forward as they go. Fauj bhi pichu aa rahi hai and they're defending the line and moving forward as well. In that meantime, many of them become shaheed, many of them get wounded. Hanji.
रोपड़ियन दये बूहे खोल कह गुरु रह हमरे कोल.
Hanji. Ropadian. So jire Ropad de Sikh si, they were very smart. So they opened their doors and they took in all the Singhs. So like the likes of Pai Bachittar Singh, they took in all the Singhs. They were injured and wounded and gave them space in their house to stay. They could take care of them and let them hide. कहे गुरु रहे हमरे कोल ते जेरे तुर्क the soldiers they were coming from the back they would say कि तुसी सिंघां ਨੂੰ देखिया did you see the Sikhs and the Ropadian the Sikh will say हाँ हाँ ये साडे घरे ही ने come they are staying in they are hiding in our houses why did they say that हाँ जी
दुए दुए चार चार लए वार लूट कूट देह तित ही मार
so जेरे Ropadian the Sikh see when the soldiers would say did you see the singer you know this one singer here is missing they would say हाँ साडे घर च when the Turks the soldiers would come in what would happen is they would doe maar donna nu do jane they might be hiding behind the door some of them would be in the house when the soldiers come in they would kill them so this was their seva ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਲੂਟ ਕੋਟ then they would loot the soldiers ਹਾਂਜੀ
कितक सिंह जो कोटले वड़ रहे नह उन खोहे आओ मारे नहे
so ਕਿਤਕ ਸਿੰਘ some of the Singhs they went to another place called Kotla Nihang ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ they went there then ਨੇ ਉਨ ਖੋਏ आओ ਮਾਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ so ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਸੀਗੇ they knew ਕਿ ਇਹ ਖਾਲਸੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੁਝ ਕਿਹਾ they didn't say anything to them they opened their doors and allowed the Khalsa to come in and stay but if the soldier would come they would give this bahana haan they are in our house and 2 2 4 4 they would kill the soldiers ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਜ਼ਖਮੀ ਹੋਏ ਤਹ ਬਚਿੱਤਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਵਰਿਓ ਪਠਾਨ ਨਿਹੰਗ ਉਸ ਚੰਗੋ ਕਰਿਓ
so one Saki of Bhai Bachittar Singh ji who became zakhmi who became wounded this is the same Bhai Bachittar Singh ji who used the Nagini Barsha and killed the drunk elephant in the battle of Anandapur so Bhai Bachittar Singh is very short in height but they are very strong ਉਹਨੂੰ ਥਾਪੜਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਸੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਤੋਂ so they stayed back and defended the line when everybody was proceeding forward crossing the Sarsa Nadi so they got wounded and they went to Kotla Nihang and they stayed in this Pathan's house ਹਾਂਜੀ
और सिंह जो जख्मी गए वह भी उस थे चंगा करे
so what happened to Bhai Bachittar Singh ji was he went to this Pathan's house Pathan ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਧੀ ਵੀ ਸੀ Mumtaz Bibi Mumtaz and so ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਫਿਰ Bibi Mumtaz and brought him to her room and took care of Bhai Bachittar Singh ji there and if anybody would come and open the door and say are you harboring any singer here they would say nahi hai nahi they would search the house and if they say ek kidda kamra hai and they would say this is my daughter's room how dare you go into my daughter's room so oh fir dar de mare sharam de mare they wouldn't go in Bibi Mumtaz room and Bhai Bachittar Singh ji would be taken care of there until Bhai Sahib leaves his body and Bibi Mumtaz up till the last breath of Bhai Bachittar Singh ji she did his seva and Bhai Bachittar Singh ji Pangu ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ और भी ਸਿੰਘ ਸੀਗੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸੇਵਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ some of them they became better when they became better they went on to join Guru Gobind Singh ji in Machiwada in Dina in Kangar and some of them they became shaheed ਹਾਂਜੀ
दोहरा कई बार वो पठान थो जाहे रहतो गुरु हजूर
now this Pathan that Bhai Sahib is speaking about many times he went to Anandapur Sahib and he stayed with Guru Gobind Singh ji ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਘੋੜਾ ਜੋੜਾ ਉਸ ਚੰਗਾ ਕਰ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦੇਤ ਹਜ਼ੂਰ
this Pathan Guru he would come and stay with Guru Gobind Singh ji in Anandapur Sahib Guru Sahib used to be very happy with him give him kode money you know kapde so much of pyar and respect was given to this Pathan ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਚੌਪਈ ਅਬ ਅਗੇ ਫੇਰ ਸੁਨੋ ਵੈ ਬਾਤ ਜਿਮ ਕੀਏ ਬੱਜੀ ਦੇ ਸ਼ੀਰ ਖੋਰ ਘਾਤ
so ਉੱਥੇ ਸਾਖੀ ਸਿੰਘਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਸੰਪੂਰਨ ਨਾ ਗੁਰੂ now Bhai Ratan Singh ji Pangu is saying let's go back to the Chote Sahibzade listen to the katha how Wazir Khan did such injustice to this sher to these young children ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਰੋਪੜੋ ਜੁਦੀ ਮਾਤ ਉਨ ਕੀਨੀ ਹੁਤੋ ਬਹਮਨ ਰਸੋਈਓ ਮਤ ਹੀ ਨੀ
so what happened is this Brahman Rasoyu so Gangu Brahman who was a Rasoi who was a cook in Anandapur Sahib he used to do seva alongside Mata Gujri ji langar tiyar karna ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਛਕਾਉਣਾ and all of that ਤੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਮਤ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ his intellect became so bad that he could do such such low action ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਉਸਕੇ ਮਨ ਮੈਂ ਬੜ ਲਬ ਆਇਓ ਉਹਨੇ ਦੇਖਤ ਦਰਬ ਜੋ ਮਾਤ ਚੁਕਾਇਓ
ਮਨ ਚ ਲਬ ਲੋ greed ਆ ਗਿਆ greed came to the mind of Gangu Brahman he saw a bag a pouch of money with Mata Gujri ji because when they left Anandapur you must remember Sangat ji they had to take a lot of treasure so ਮਾਤਾਵਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਮੋਰ ਸੀ ਪੈਸੇ ਦਰ Guru Gobind Singh ji ਕੋਲ ਵੀ ਸੀ and with Mata Gujri ji as well if we know when they crossed Sarsa Nadi a lot of
their khajana, granthas, shastras and all that were drowned or got wet and they couldn't be used anymore. One thing they had with them was the money, the mohra. So Gangu Brahman saw this and Mancha agreed कि I want this pouch of money. Hanji.
हीरे मोती माणक सबसे हो तो गलियो बामन जित गजबे.
Of course there were Hire, Motiya, Manak, all these pearls, rubies, diamonds and all alongside money and he wanted all of it for himself. Hanji.
ले माथा निज गयो ग्राम साहेड़ी थो उसको नाम.
So when Gangu Brahman found Mataji and the Chote Sahibzade along after Sarsa they were walking in the jungle, then Gangu Brahman brought Mataji and the Chote Sahibzade to his friend Sahel. Hanji.
जायो जार मद टक बहाई चीज सभी उन करीक बजाई.
So Jaya Ujar Mother Tak Bahai he made this plan कि I'm going to kabja kar, I'm going to take everything that Mataji has. Hanji.
कहा माता हम जमीन दबाई तो मन चिंता करियो न गाई.
So when he reached the pender, came to the house, he told Mataji कि give me this pouch. It's not safe for you to carry this much money and expensive things. Give me this pouch and I will dig the ground and I will bury it in the ground for you. Hanji.
माता कहे हम चिंता जान हमको बहाओ किते कलब मकान.
Mata Gujari ji, our Brahmgyani says she knew what was the intention of Gangu Brahman. He says, I'm not worried about this. What I'm worried about is send us to a safe place. That there's a house that we can stay, that nobody would know. Because why? She was not worried about herself, but Chote Sahibzade. You must understand the life of prince. They need to be protected because if they want to destroy a kingdom, first you want to kill the king. But if you can't kill the king, the next thing is to kill the next in line, which are the princes. So Mata kahe hum chinta jaan that I'm only worried. I need to protect my grandsons because they are going to be next in line. They are the sons of my son, and give us a place to stay. Hanji.
दोहरा ते बहमन से करन जय माता रखी बहाए.
So Gangu Brahman brought Mataji and the Chote Sahibzade to his own house. Hanji.
पर रंगड़न मोरंडा कहया मोहे मिलाओ ने बाबा जाए.
Raat ho gayi si, it was night. So Mataji and the Chote Sahibzade were resting in a room. And Gangu Brahman went to the Rangadan, basically the two officers, another Navi, only the names will come. Went to Moringa and told the officers, the police officers, Kelo, कि I want to go and meet the Nawab. I have a news. Hanji.
चौपई मैं देव गुरपुत्र फड़वाए देव मोको तुम इनाम दिवाए.
They were saying, what news do you have? At this point, the biggest thing that we want is Guru Gobind Singh Ji. If we don't get Guru Gobind Singh, the next thing we want is Guru Sahib's family. He says, I'm going to give you Guru Sahib's sons. And if I give you the sons, I want the Nawab to give me inam, to give me money. Hanji.
जरा टाल रंगड़न ने नह कियो तुरत बामन उन संग ले लियो.
So what happened at Rangadan? The officers then took Gangu Brahman together with them. Hanji.
बामन मोड़ सतापी लयो दये दिखाल उन चौकस पयो.
So the Rangadan, the officers, they did not believe Gangu Brahman. Hey, me mari janda hoga. Many people who want money. He says, take us and go to your house. So Gangu Brahman took the officers to his house and showed कि Mataji and the Chote Sahibzade are in the room. They are there. Hanji.
जानी मानी रंगड़ दोए भाई उन आन मरंडे घर रखे बहाई.
So what was the name of the two officers? दो भरा सीगे, Jani and Mani. So they were the two officers, the Turks, the soldiers stationed in Morinda. When they found out, what they did was they brought Mataji and the Chote Sahibzade and captured them in Morinda jail. Hanji.
एक सांबे एक गयो सरहंद फराए बजीदा कर दए बांध.
So that night, one brother stayed in the jail to make sure that they are, in the jail and nothing would happen. And one brother went to Sarhanda to report to the Nawab that we have found Mata Gujari ji and the Chote Sahibzade. Hanji.
देवो नाम गुरु पुत्र फड़ावो दीन मजहब तुम मदद बचावो.
He says, Deho Anam ki now. So now the officer saying to the Nawab ki you give us a naam. You give us a naam because we have found the Sahibzade and this way we will help you to propagate your prachar, what you aim to do, which is basically to make Hindustan into one. Hanji.
इतनी सुनत फौज चढ़ आई लये सरहंद उन टिग मंगाई.
So Nawab then was, of course, Turk. On the very instant he sent a forge. So when Aurangzeb found found Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. For one Guru Sahib no, to bring him to Delhi, they had to send 10,000 Fauj, soldiers, just to bring Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji from the Penda up till Delhi, because why Aurangzeb was scared? Ki don't Guru Sahib do something? A single person and 10,000 Fauj. Similarly here, to bring Mata Gujri Ji and the Sahibzade to Sarhand, they had to send a full militia to escort them to Sarhand. भी एक कुछ हो ना जावे, जंग युद्ध ना हो जाए, और they then don't get to escape. हाँ जी.
चार बुर्ज सो तकड़े करे माता गुजरी साथे फड़े.
So what happened was they arrived at Sarhand. 3 of them, Mataji and Chote Sahibzade, were kept in Thanda Burj. हाँ जी.
चौपई और खतरी हो तो सुचा नंद नाम कित कलियो थो कर्ण साप गुरदाम.
In the darbar of Wazir Khan, there was this Khatri called Sucha Nandana. And what was his history? Sucha Nanda sent his daughter's rishta to Guru Gobind Singh Ji for Baba Ajit Singh Ji. Ki I want my daughter to marry your son. ते Guru Sahib ने रिश्ता मना कर दिया. From then he had this anger towards Guru Sahib that he wants to take revenge for this badnami. हाँ जी.
गुरु न मन्यो उस राखियो याद इम कर समझियो उन वह बात.
So Guru na manyo, Guru Sahib did not accept my proposal for my daughter's hand in marriage. Now this is my chance to take a revenge on Guru Sahib. Yes, हाँ जी.
उन कहे उन भाव सर्प बसूरे छोटे बड़े रसंग जरूरे.
So Suchanan was the one instigating to Wazir Khan and saying, "Is sarp de bacche ya? They are like poisonous snakes." He says, if you leave them now, they are going to become big, they are going to grow, and they are going to come and they are going to kill you. So you have to do something now itself. हाँ जी.
और जो इनको तोहमत उठाई होते ना है सो देती जाए.
But so Wazir Khan, of course, because another mazhab sika, you cannot hurt young children as well. You cannot hurt the ones who are weak. Suchanan said, if you are not keen to torture them or kill them, get somebody to do it for you. हाँ जी.
अब इनको दे मलेरियन सो पाए मारे जिन्हें है कई पराए.
So Suchanan gave an idea. He says, तू अपने हाथ क्यों मैले करने? Why do you want to dirty your own hands? Give the kids to the Nawab of Malerkotla. Why? Because the Nawab of Malerkotla had a brother whom Guru Gobind Singh Ji killed in the battle. हाँ जी.
उनके हथी इन्हें मरवाए तो बजीदे ले बुलवाए.
So Suchanan told the Wazir Khan कि Nawab Malerkotla को बुलाओ, call the Nawab and get him to punish your children. In this way, you get to do what you wanted to do, which is to take revenge on Guru Sahib. My ichha also will be fulfilled, and our hands will still remain clean. So Wazir Khan called Nawab of Malerkotla to his darbar. हाँ जी.
शेर मोहम्मद बड़ उन थायो खावज खिजर पीसा थोयायो.
So what was his name? Was Sher Muhammad. His name was Sher Muhammad, and he had 2 other brothers as well, Khizr Khan and Nahar Khan. हाँ जी.
तुमरो मारियो गुरु नाहर खां भाई उस बेटे तुम देहो मरवाई.
So Suchananda and Wazir Khan then tells to Nawab of Malerkotla कि their father Guru Gobind Singh Ji was the one who murdered your brother Nahar Khan in the battle of Chamkaur. So the Sakhi Sangaji, if you listen to the previous prasanga, Nahar Khan was also the general of one forge, one battalion. And when they found out that all the Gursikhs were in the fortress, Nahar Khan then unu josh chad gaya. He decided then to enter the fortress. So what his strategy was, put a ladder and try to climb up. So, and he larkada siga Guru Sahib ki bara, we're going to fight and this and that. Nahar Khan utte chadya, Guru Sahib ne teer chadya and utte odi maut hogi. Seeing the general dead, his force also went retreated back. हाँ जी.
दोहरा शेर मोहम्मद ने गनी बुला बोले शीश हिलाए.
Sher Muhammad, the Nawab of Malerkotla, said, I am not going to. बच्चियां नु नहीं मैं मारना. हाँ जी.
हम हमारे शीर खोरिया जग में औज से आए.
He says, my brother was killed in a war. It was a fair, just war. वो भी general सीगा, Guru Sahib भी general सी. He says, I'm not going to kill this sheer, this bacche, just because my brother was killed by their father. The dunya mein ki hoga? What is the world going to say if we kill young children just because our revenge with their father. Hanji.
ਚੌਪਈ ਓਏ ਮੋਏ ਕਰ ਜੰਗ ਲੜਾਈ ਮਾਰੇ ਸ਼ੀਰ ਖੋਰ ਕਿਆ ਬੜਿਆਈ
He says, "Oh, Mare se Narkan died in a battle. It was a just war. Oh, mar gaya chalo oda siga karam si ona de. What is just about killing young children? Ode vich ki nyaya hai? Hanji.
ਉਹਨੇ ਨਾ ਮਾਨੀ ਹਾਹਾ ਨਾਰਾ ਮਾਰਾ ਕਉ ਨਵਾਬ ਔਰ ਠਠਿਓ ਬਜਾਰਾ
Nawab Malerkotla, he did not agree. He said, "Ah, tusi ki karde?" He did not agree. He kept telling them ki eh changa niga tusi jera kar rahe ha. Do not hurt these young children. You have enmity with the father. Deal with the father. Why bringing the children in? Hanji.
ਸਦ ਬਾਲਕ ਉਨ ਦੋ ਬਹਾਏ ਹੋ ਮੁਸਲਮਾਨ ਸੁਖਨ ਅਲਾਏ
So Nawab Malerkotla did not want to be a part of this. He left. So what happened now? Wazir Khan calls the Balak, calls the Chote Sahibzade to the darbar. Hanji.
ਨਹਿ ਆਵਨ ਦੀਨ ਤਾਉ ਦਿਓ ਗਮਾਰ ਜਿਮ ਮਾਰਿਓ ਤੁਮ ਪਿਤ ਕਰ ਖਵਾਰ
Wazir Khan says, "Tusi Musliman ban jo. If you don't become Musliman, then we are going to kill you like how we killed your father." Ye jhoot keh deta. Lie to the Chote Sahibzade that we killed your father and we will kill you as well. Hanji.
ਇਹ ਸੁਨ ਬਾਲਕਨ ਗੁੱਸੋ ਆਇਓ ਹਮਰੇ ਪਿਤ ਕੋ ਸਕੈ ਮਰਵਾਇਓ
Balkan, the Chote Sahibzade, rose chad gaya. Who are you to kill our father? There's no one born in this world who can kill our father. Hanji.
ਅਮਰੋ ਪਿਤਾ ਬੜ ਰਖਤ ਹਥਿਆਰ ਮਾਰਨ ਵਾਰੇ ਵਹ ਲਏ ਮਾਰ
Hey, my father, our father Guru Gobind Singh, keeps a lot of hathiyar, shastars with them. There's so much of prayer for shastar. They are shastar tari that if someone comes in front of them, try to attack them, udo hi our father var karke and kill them. Unna nu shaheed kar dinda siga. So who are you to kill our father? Hanji.
ਸੁਨਨ ਬਾਪ ਸੁਕਨ ਵਿਚਾਰੀ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਲੜਕੇ ਜਬਹ ਕਰੇ ਨੇ ਕਰਨੀ ਵਾਰੀ
So when Nawab listened to this and no koi bhi tarika nahi chalya, you don't try to bribe them, give them sweets, toys or get them to marry the girls there. We said thonu si paise ghar sara kuch davange, you live a lavish life, nothing work. Then Wazir Khan say be a ladke, they are not going to come into our terms, then we just have to kill them. Hanji.
ਜੋ ਇਹ ਹੋਏ ਨਾ ਮੁਸਲਮਾਨ ਕਰੋ ਜਿਬਹ ਇਨ ਮਾਰੋ ਜਾਨ
So the Jalad, you try again to convince them to become Muslim. If they do not want to become Musliman, karo jibhe in maro jaan. Then just kill them, slit their throat and kill them. Hanji.
ਦੋਹਰਾ ਇਤਕ ਕਹੀ ਜਬ ਦੁਸ਼ਟ ਸੁਨ ਤੁਰਕ ਭਏ ਪਛਿਨ
So when Wazir Khan released this fatwa, there Turk sige the Jalad, they were very happy. Sucha Nand was also very happy ki aa fatwa inhone kar ditta and now the Chote Sahibzade, they are going to be killed. Hanji.
ਅੜੈ ਘਸੀਟੈ ਹੋਵਤਾ ਆਇਓ ਅਨੈ ਨਾ ਤਰਸ ਮਨ
Now Sangatji, this is a part of history we might not know, but before the Chote Sahibzade were bricked alive and before their throat, when they were bricked alive, when the wall broke, they fell. Haje vi saah sige Chote Sahibzade de vich, and then the Jalad came and cut their throat. But before they were bricked alive, Sangatji, a lot of tortures were given to the Chote Sahibzade. They were dragged, kasite gaye, they were dragged, they were tied to trees, and jere जिमें बातू सरम्बा नहीं होने like, you know, you take those stones and pathar was thrown at them. One hit the Sahibzade's eyes and starts to bleed. So a lot of tortures was given to them. जदों कुछ नहीं होया, then they were bricked alive, and then when the wall broke, फिर भी साथ चालू सीगे, फिर जलाद ने क्या की करिए, then this fatwa to slit their throat, फिर उन्होंने इतना किया. हाँ जी.
ਚੌਪਈ ਹੋਤੋ ਉਹਾਂ ਥੋ ਛੋੜਾ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੂ ਡੈ ਗੋਡੇ ਹੇਠ ਕਰ ਜਗਹ ਡਾਰੋ
So गोड्डियां तो लेके गोड्डे तक पहुंचे उत्ते थे, they were bricked alive. फिर जदों ਉਹ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ, फिर की होया. हाँ जी.
ਤੜਫ ਗਏ ਜਿੰਦ ਉਡਾਏ ਇਹ ਮਸ਼ੀਰ ਖੋਰ ਦੋਏ ਦਏ ਕਤਲਾਏ
So ਜਦੋਂ the wall broke, they fell. ਉਦੋਂ ਸਾਹ ਸੀਗੇ, but they are trying to catch their breath. ਉਦੋਂ ਫਿਰ ਸ਼ੀਰ ਮਤਲਬ ਛੋਟੇ ਸਾਹਿਬਜ਼ਾਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਥਰੋਟ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੱਟ ਦਿੱਤਾ. ਹਾਂਜੀ.
ਇਹੀ ਬਾਤ ਬੜ ਮਤ ਸੁਨ ਲਈ ਗਿਰਪੁਰ ਜੋ ਦਏ ਪ੍ਰਾਨ ਉਡਈ
When the news came to Mata Gujri, she was still in Thanda Burj. When the news came to Mata Gujri ji कि छोटे साहिबजादे ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਹੀਦੀ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸ਼ਹੀਦੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਆ. Mata Gujri ji in the Thanda Burj, she sat down, ਆਪਣਾ ਜਾਪ ਕਰਕੇ, ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਬ੍ਰਹਮ ਗਿਆਨੀ ਸੀਗੇ, ਜਾਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਪਾਠ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਪਜੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦਾ, from her ਦਸਮ ਦਵਾਰ ਸਾਹ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ she also left her body. ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਐਸੋ ਭਇਓ ਤਹਾਂ ਬਟਕਾਰਾ ਹਾਹਾਕਾਰ ਸੁਨ ਜਗਤ ਉਚਾਰਾ
ਸਰਹੰਦ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਖੋ what was the people of Sarhand doing? Because it was a few days where the Sahibzade and Mataji were in Sarhand, a few days till ਇੱਥੇ is fast forward they told the Sakhi. ਜਦੋਂ the people in Sarhand found out कि this is what they want to do to the Chote Sahibzade, the Sikh ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪ੍ਰੇਮੀ ਸੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ, they got together and said let's collect money and maybe we can give this money to Wazir Khan and get the Sahibzade back. Let's try to find ways to convince Wazir Khan not to kill the Sahibzade. छोटे बच्चे ने उन्होंने ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਆ, but nothing worked. When they found out कि Sahibzade शहीदी हो गई, हाहाकार मच गई and they condemned Wazir Khan, condemned सुच्चानंद कि ਤੁਸੀਂ बहुत ही बड़ा पाप कर ਦਿੱਤਾ. ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਕਹੋ ਕਹਾ ਉਸ ਵਕਤ ਗਲ ਜੋ ਉਨ ਜ਼ੁਲਮੀ ਕੀਨ
ਸੋ ਭਾਰਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਪੰਗੂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਅਖੀਲੇ ਦੋਹਰੇ ਚ ਕਿ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ, what can we say about that time where the Chote Sahibzade zulm, such a zulm took place upon them. ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਅੰਬਰ ਚਹੀਤ ਹੁਤ ਗਿਰਿਓ ਚਹੀਤ ਫਟੀ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ
ਕਿ ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ when the Sahibzade ਸ਼ਹੀਦੀ ਹੋਈ ਇਦਾਂ ਹੋਇਆ, the sky should have fallen, the ਧਰਤੀ, the earth should have just gone apart and just swallowed everybody in. ਕਿ ਇੰਨਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਜ਼ੁਲਮ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ no one could take it. ਕਿ ਛੋਟਿਆਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਬਾਲ ਉਮਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸ਼ਹੀਦੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਕੀਤੀ, ਇੰਨਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਜ਼ੁਲਮ ਹੋਇਆ. ਸੋ here was until here ਭਾਰਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਪੰਗੂ ਪੂਰੀ ਸਾਖੀ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਨੇ from ਅਨੰਦਪੁਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ right up till ਚਮਕੌਰ and ਸਰਹੰਦ ਦਾ ਸਾਕਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਸੰਪੂਰਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ. ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ in the next ਪ੍ਰਸੰਗ will be Guru Gobind Singh Ji writing Zafarnama letter, the letter of victory, and how it's sent to Aurangzeb and how Aurangzeb responds upon reading this letter from Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj. So ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਥਾ ਦੀ ਸਮਾਪਤੀ ਆ. ਭੁੱਲਾਂ ਚੁੱਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਖੀਮਾ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ ਆਖਰੀਆਂ ਪੰਕਤੀਆਂ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਕਥਾ ਦੀ ਸਮਾਪਤੀ ਕਰੀਏ ਜੀ.
ਕਹੋ ਕਹਾ ਉਸ ਵਕਤ ਗਲ ਜੋ ਉਨ ਜ਼ੁਲਮੀ ਕੀਨ ਅੰਬਰ ਚਹੀਤ ਹੁਤ ਗਿਰਿਓ ਚਹੀਤ ਫਟੀ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ.
ਕਾਤੀ ਗੜਾਰੀ